It's called a wolf if you tame it in Minecraft. Kamusta mga kaibigan? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Kae-Co. Today we're taking a nature walk at Watershed Park. We're here! I think we can go this side, but I don't know.
No.
We can try. Now, which way? This way. So we can go to the meadow.
Which way?
Meadow!
Okay.
Are you sure? Which way, Michael?
He said this way. Are you sure this is the way?
We're just going for a nature walk. Park here. Toenail. That's the black sheep. From here we walked all the way in this path, and then we ended up beside the meadow.
You have to go to that side.
Hang on. No, let's check this out. What does it say?
That way. Can you go?
This is the middle.
Huh. Oh. Briar. Okay, let's go. What?
Welcome to my cage!
It's just
I'll
walk around.
The Philippines still lives here.
There's a dog.
There's a dog? It's called a wolf if you tame it in Minecraft. Well, I mean 14 foot. Wow.
What do you like about nature?
We're all
A serious dog.
we're all the T-Rex. We're the T-Rex boys. Life here would be so pretty. Yeah. If we would chop off the trees, we wouldn't able to breathe. Got water. I'll take
So what do you like about nature?
I like the sound and the birds chirping and green trees. I actually like the trees.
You like?
So beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Oh look, there's a bridge. Yeah, a tiny bridge right there. There's one there and one there. I think that's what all the Smurfs use. That bridge.
Smurfs.
Which way?
It's like when you're in nature, it's peaceful. It's like you're so close to God's creation, something like that.
Yeah, I'm a Christian.
Oops. Who created this things?
God.
And it's beautiful.
Yeah, so beautiful.
This way is to Pinewood Trail. If we go to the right, Gravity Bowl Trail.
It's the law.
This way, another one. Briarwood Trail. So which way are we gonna go again? Michael, which way? Now you decide, because I'm not good at all.
This way. Gravity Bowl.
Gravity Bowl? Okay, that way. Woo! There's so many trails again.
And
just
we're back in the middle.
We just went around, tried
Try different paths.
trails. I told you! Michael, this way.
So we're back at the meadow, and what we did was that we took this path and we did the Briarwood Trail, and we took the loop all the way around, and then we took this path right here, and we ended up at the Gravity Bowl Trail. So we took that path and we used this trail to go back to the meadow.
Where are we going?
Our nature walk today was really nice, and I do recommend it for families and children. And if you have a dog, you can put them on the trail. And we saw a lot of bikers today, and there were a lot of trails that you can take. How about you, Michael? I liked the hike, and it was really fun, and I really also liked it was really easy. Thank you for watching the video. Peace out.